Oh, hey, Ruffy. What's up, bitches? Hey. Hey, you ain't got that £10 you owe me, man. I want to go out tonight. I want to get some cat action. Yeah? God damn, can you smell something? What's that smell? It smells like fish. Let me... Oh, my days. That stinks. Got a pen and inks. What the hell is it? Odor tuna. Get off me, man. Okay, maybe I'll have another sniff. Don't rub it on me, though. Okay, don't rub it on me. What I tell you? Okay, I'm gonna walk up now, looking for my fags, Dave. See my cigarettes? I know they're around here somewhere. You've been smoking them up. Get your hand off me. Okay, but I'll have one more sniff. That's pungent. Really is intoxicating. God damn, boy. You need to go and take a bath. Stink.